Hello and welcome to Learning Science. In this video, I'll talk about how you can access Power BI report and dashboard on your mobile phone or tablet. So here is my Power BI desktop. We develop our all report using a Power BI desktop. Once we will develop our report, we will publish it on Power BI Cloud. Once it will be published on the Power BI Cloud using our laptop or desktop machine and using internet browser, we start accessing our report. Similarly, for we can also access our report on mobile phone or tablet, on Android phone and iPhone as well. So, but accessing on mobile phone, whether it will be Android or iPhone, we have to download some software. The Android user can download from the Google Play Store and iPhone user can download Apple Store. So in this video, I will explain you how you can download and install the application and how you can access a Power BI report on your Android smartphone or tablet. So from on your mobile device, just open a Google Play Store and on the search bars, type a Power BI and search. You will see the Microsoft Power BI application and click on the install button. It will take some time to install. So now it is installing. Once it will be installed, you will able to see here open button. If you want to open the application, Power BI application from here, you can open it, or if you can go on your mobile device and you can check here the application, or you can type in the search bar the Power BI. Once you click on the Power BI application, if you are using the first time Power BI application, you will see first time you will able to see this screen. First, I will talk on the top. This is the Power BI. This is the Microsoft Power BI cloud environment. And this is the reporting server. If the Power BI reporting server is installed on your local machine and your all report is hosted on the local environment, like on-premises environment, the server are installed on on-premises environment. So you have to click the reporting server. On the Power BI cloud environment, you have to type your email ID, school email ID or the company email ID. So once you will click in the sign in, it will again ask you your same email ID and the password. And once you will log in successfully, you will see this screen first time. And from this screen, there is a button link here. The next, click on the next button. You will navigate to another screen. Again, click here. The next. So this is the last screen and here you have to click Let's Go. Once you click on the Let's Go, you will log into your Power BI cloud environment and you can see the whatever the report you have published or whatever the report it shared with you. So here I have all my report. So I will open a TW report. Once I will click here, the TW report, I'll able to see this. This is my TW report and this is currently in the landscape mode. So you can see I can see my report here. So that's all for this video. And thank you for watching. I request you to please like and subscribe my channel.